Functions of neurons. Sensory neurons conduct nerve impulse from sense organs to the central nervous system, that is, brain and spinal cord. Relaying neuron is present in the CNS, receives these stimuli brought by sensory neurons, analyzes it, interprets it, and produces a message. Motor neurons conduct this message from CNS to the effectors. Central nervous system, human brain, consists of brain and spinal cord in animals. All life activities are under control of the brain. Human brain. Brain is a soft, whitish, large and slightly flattened structure present in the cranial cavity of cranium. Weight of brain is about 1200 to 1400 grams. Human brain is covered with 3 meninges or membranes. Pie is inner meninges, arachnoid is middle meninges, and dura mater is outer meninges. The space between membranes is filled with cerebrospinal fluid. Brain has grey matter outside and white matter inside. Parts of brain. Human brain has 3 parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain is anterior, 2/3 part of brain. It is main thinking part of brain. It has 3 parts. Olfactory lobe are 1 pair small-sized, club-shaped. Cerebrum is the largest part of brain and forms about 80% of weight of brain. It has 1 pair of cerebral hemisphere. Each has 4 lobes: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, and occipital lobe. Diencephalon is made of thalamus and hypothalamus. Midbrain is formed of 2 parts. Optic lobes, cerebral peduncles. Hindbrain also has 3 parts: cerebellum, pons, medulla oblongata. Functions of different parts of human brain are as given in this table. Spinal cord. Spinal cord controls the reflex actions and conducts messages between different parts of the body and brain. Peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system consists of nerves arising from the brain, cranial nerves, and nerves arising from the spinal cord, spinal nerves. It assists in transmitting information between central nervous system and the rest of the body. Autonomic nervous system. Autonomous nervous system. Parasympathetic and sympathetic system. Involuntary activities like breathing and beating of heart take place by the coordinated efforts of the medulla oblongata and autonomous nervous system. Reflex actions. When a receptor is stimulated, it sends a signal to the central nervous system where the brain coordinates the response. But sometimes a very quick response is needed, one that does not need the involvement of the brain. This is a reflex action. Reflex actions are rapid and happen without us thinking. Example, you would pull your hand away from a hot flame without thinking about it. The process is as follows. A receptor detects a stimulus. This is indicated by the red on the hand. A sensory neuron sends a signal to the relay neuron. Then relay neuron sends the signal to the motor neuron. Then motor neuron sends a signal to the effector. Then effector produces a response. As a result, the hand is pulled away quickly. Did you know? Brain is the highest coordination center in human body. Hypothalamus is commonly known as thermostat of the body. Meningitis is the inflammation of meningeal membranes. Cerebellum is also known as little brain. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Control and coordination are the functions of the nervous system and hormones in human body. The responses of the nervous system can be classified as reflex action, voluntary action, or involuntary action. The nervous system uses electrical impulses to transmit messages. The nervous system gets information from our sense organs and acts through our muscles. Chemical coordination is seen both in plants and animals. Hormones produced in one part of an organism move to another part to achieve the desired effect. A feedback mechanism regulates the action of hormone.